Login loop error on MyFinance fix. If you're stuck in a login loop on MyFinance where you enter your credentials, hit sign in, and end up right back on the login page, don't panic. This issue is surprisingly common, and most people try to fix it the wrong way. The good news is, it's easy to solve once you understand what's really happening. The login loop usually occurs because of cached data, saved cookies, or outdated app tokens that confuse October 26, 2025 secure login system. Essentially, your device keeps trying to log in with expired information and just keeps kicking you back to the start. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, if you're using the mobile app, completely close it, don't just minimize it. Go to your phone settings, find the MyFinance app and tap storage. Clear both cache and app data. This resets the app's login tokens. Now reopen and log in fresh with your username and password. If you're using a web browser, open a MyFinance in an incognito or private window. If that works, it means your stored cookies were the problem. So, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then log in again normally. Another common cause is two-factor authentication mismatches. Make sure your device's date and time are set to update automatically. Even a few seconds of difference can cause your login to fail silently. Still looping? Disable your VPN or ad blocker before logging in. October 26, 2025 security systems often block masked connections for safety, especially from new locations. Once you're back in, enable biometric or secure sign-in directly through the app to prevent this from happening again. So remember, the login loop isn't a password problem, it's a cache and token issue. Clear your app data, use private browsing, and check your time settings. Do that, and you'll get back into your MyFinance account in minutes.